Have you ever dreamed of exploring Azerbaijan? A country where East meets West, blending ancient history with modern innovation? With its mesmerizing landscapes, stunning architecture, and deep cultural heritage, Azerbaijan has so much to offer. First, let's uncover some fascinating facts about Azerbaijan, and then dive into the best places to visit in this remarkable country. But before we get started, if you're excited to explore Azerbaijan, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment below with the spots you'd most like to see in Azerbaijan. Did you know that Azerbaijan is home to one of the oldest settlements in the world? Gobustan, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, boasts rock engravings dating back over 40,000 years. Known as the Land of Fire, Azerbaijan has natural gas seeps that have burned for centuries, inspiring the country's ancient fire-worshipping culture. With over 400 mud volcanoes, Azerbaijan is also the mud volcano capital of the world. Azerbaijan has made significant contributions to the arts and sciences. The first Muslim opera, Layli and Majnun, was performed here in 1908. The country is also known for its intricate carpet weaving, a craft that UNESCO has recognized as an intangible cultural heritage. Azerbaijan's culinary scene is rich, with flavors that reflect influences from the Silk Road, Persia, and the Caucasus. Let's jump right in and explore some of the most exciting and breathtaking places Azerbaijan has to offer. Your journey starts in the sunny streets of Baku, the capital city of Azerbaijan. Known for its blend of futuristic architecture and historic charm, Baku is a must-see destination. One of its most famous landmarks is the Flame Towers, an iconic trio of skyscrapers lit up at night to resemble flames, symbolizing Azerbaijan's historic connection to fire. In the heart of Baku's Old City, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, you'll find yourself wandering through charming, cobblestone streets that feel like stepping back in time. Here, you can discover the ancient Maiden Tower and the breathtaking palace of the Shirvanshahs, a masterpiece of medieval architecture. Just a short stroll away, Baku Boulevard awaits. A scenic waterfront promenade perfect for relaxing walks, offering stunning views of the Caspian Sea and the city's striking skyline. If art and culture are your thing, don't miss the iconic Heydar Aliyev Center. Designed by the legendary architect Zaha Hadid, its sleek, futuristic curves house fascinating exhibitions, making it a true cultural treasure and a feast for the eyes. Baku can be your base for taking day trips to other parts of Azerbaijan. Next, let's explore Sheki, a charming town nestled in northwestern Azerbaijan. Known for its beautiful architecture, Sheki's main attraction is the Sheki Khan's Palace, a stunning 18th-century structure famous for its colorful stained glass windows, intricate wooden carvings, and lush gardens. Sheki is also known for its vibrant local crafts, particularly silk weaving, and its delicious cuisine. Don't miss trying Sheki Paklava, a local version of baklava that's made with honey, nuts, and saffron for an unforgettable taste. One of the best things about Sheki is its natural surroundings, with hills and forests that make it a perfect escape from busier cities. It's a place where history, culture, and nature come together for a truly memorable experience. located just a short drive from Baku, is the Absheron Peninsula, a treasure trove of natural wonders and historical marvels. One of its standout attractions is the Icherisheher Fire Temple, an ancient Zoroastrian site where natural gas flames have been mysteriously burning for centuries. This sacred site is steeped in history and spirituality, offering a glimpse into Azerbaijan's deep-rooted cultural heritage. And if that doesn't spark your curiosity, head over to Yanar, or Burning Mountain. This incredible natural phenomenon features flames that emerge from the hillside, fueled by natural gas deposits beneath the surface. It's particularly mesmerizing at dusk when the fiery glow lights up the surrounding landscape. Trust me, the Absheron Peninsula is a must-visit spot you won't want to miss. Now, let's head over to Ganja, a city brimming with history, culture, and a touch of the unexpected. As Azerbaijan's second-largest city, Ganja is a place where stories of the past beautifully intertwine with unique attractions. One of the city's historical highlights is the Nizami Mausoleum, a grand tribute to the celebrated 12th century Persian poet Nizami Ganjavi. It's a site of deep cultural significance that transports you to an era of timeless literary brilliance. But Ganja doesn't just stop at history. It's also home to the quirky and heartfelt bottle house. Made entirely from thousands of glass bottles, this one-of-a-kind creation was built as a tribute to the builder's brother, who was lost during World War II. It's a striking reminder of love and loss, unlike anything you've seen before. And just a short trip away lies Lake Göygöl, a true gem for nature lovers. Surrounded by lush forests and stunning mountain scenery, this crystal-clear lake is a serene escape from city life. Whether you're capturing the view through your lens or simply soaking in the peace, Lake Göygöl is a magical retreat that will leave you in awe. Up next on our journey is Lahij village, a hidden gem tucked away in the Caucasus Mountains. Stepping into Lahij feels like traveling through time. This ancient mountain village is renowned for its skilled copper craftsmanship, a tradition that has been passed down for generations. As you wander through its narrow cobblestone streets, you will find artisans hard at work, crafting intricate copperware and other traditional items, a perfect opportunity to take home a unique piece of Azerbaijani heritage. But Lahij isn't just about craftsmanship. The village offers stunning views of the Caucasus Mountains, making it a dream destination for nature lovers and photographers. It's an ideal spot to immerse yourself in local culture, soak in the history, and revel in the breathtaking landscapes that surround this charming village. Finally, we wrap up our adventure with the breathtaking beauty of Quba and the ancient village of Khinalug. Quba is a picturesque town celebrated for its lush apple orchards, and also serves as the gateway to Azerbaijan's most awe-inspiring mountain landscapes. But the true highlight of this region is the journey to Khinalug, a village perched high in the Caucasus Mountains, and considered one of the oldest continuously inhabited settlements in the world. In Khinalug, you'll be treated to stunning panoramic views that seem to stretch endlessly across the mountains. The village's traditional stone houses, nestled into the rugged terrain, reflect a way of life that has stood the test of time. Exploring Khinalug offers not only breathtaking scenery, but also a deep dive into the heritage and traditions of its resilient people. a truly unforgettable experience to cap off our Azerbaijani adventure. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through Azerbaijan. From the vibrant streets of Baku to the ancient rock carvings of Gobustan and the charming mountain villages like Khinalug, Azerbaijan is a country filled with history, beauty, and unforgettable experiences. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button for more travel inspiration and tips. And hey, if you've been to Azerbaijan, share your favorite spots in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your adventures. Safe travels, and we'll see you on the next journey.